Hello everyone, this is Wahid from Trateco. In this video, we will learn how we can embed YouTube videos in our blog post. We don't need to install any plugin to embed YouTube videos. To do this, we just need to go to the post and I want to embed my YouTube video on this post. First, we need to view this post. So here is my blog post and I want to embed my YouTube video in this blog post. So to do this, we just need to go to the edit post and I want to embed my YouTube video here. So I just need to click on this plus icon and search for YouTube. Here is the YouTube widget, click on it and here I can enter the URL of any YouTube video. So I go to my YouTube channel and open this YouTube video. Here is the URL of this video. I copy this URL and after that I paste the URL here and click on this embed button. After clicking on it, it will embed the YouTube video on this blog post and after that I can click on this update button. After updating, I can view this post. You can see this is my YouTube video which is embedded on this blog post. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.